Hey guys, Mike Volkin here with Freelancer Masterclass. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do tips on freelancing almost every single day. Today we're going to be talking about the easiest freelancing jobs beginners can do now. I've listed the top 8 that I could think of. And if there's something that didn't make the list, please put a comment below. And let's get an even bigger list going of the top ways that freelancers can make money easily, especially beginners. Okay, let's get going. The first thing I want to talk about is data entry. Anyone can do it. I mean, it's literally, if you have fingers and a keyboard, you can do data entry. So that might be a great starter job for you if you have little to no experience. Transcription. That is taking something of audio and turning it into the written word. So again, if you have fingers and can type, you can listen to the audio and put it down on paper. Put it down on Microsoft Word and type away. If that is something that you want to do, that is something easy enough. I personally don't like to do that. I don't like to listen to something and try to type, but some people love doing it and they make a good living doing it. Translation. If you know another language, by all means, there are lots of companies out there that need translation services, everything from government entities to businesses to individuals. So if you like to translate between one language and another, especially written or verbal, there's lots of work for you out there. Pet care, house care. Obviously, there's an onset of new websites like care.com, wag.com, all those places where you can find work as a freelancer to do various types of pet care and house care. Now, granted, if you want to do pet care and even house care, there are certain things that you will learn and pick up as you get experience, but there's no reason why, if you've had a pet and cared for a pet in the past, that you can't do it for others. Blog commenting. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people out there that will pay to have fake blog comments on their blog or other people's blogs to try to gain notoriety. Right now, it's still popular. I know Google's trying to combat those fake blogs, but be that as it may, right now it's an easy entry-level job to do. It doesn't pay that much, but hey, if somebody wants to pay you to do some blog comments and you can come up with either some comments of your own, or they'll give you comments to post on under your account on your behalf, and you feel comfortable doing that, go ahead and do that. Voiceover artist. If you have a lovely voice, unlike me, and can speak at a normal tone and at a normal even keel, then by all means, being a voiceover artist is very lucrative in some cases. I know some voiceover artists on Fiverr that charge over $100 an hour just to say a few sentences. So everybody needs a voiceover artist that's in business at one point or another, who has some kind of video or audio they're trying to create, a professional one at least, especially car salesmen, Sunday, inventory clearance sales, stuff like that, That sounded pretty good. Maybe I'll be a voiceover artist. But anyway, there are a lot of voiceover artists on Fiverr, Fiverr. So go ahead and check them out. Upwork also has them, but Fiverr seems to be the most popular platform for that. Virtual assistant. Oops, I just gave you a little preview of the next one. VA, also called a virtual assistant. So those are people who are ready and able to work with anybody on any particular task virtually. So you can work out of your house, and you might have 10 clients, and at any given time they might email you or call you and say, I need this done or that done. It could be anything. It could be data entry. It could be transcription. It could be they'll teach you how to do something and you do it. Usually it's mundane tasks. But I have a 3 or 4 virtual assistants based on what type of information I need at the time. Usually it's web research that I have people do for me, or organizing spreadsheets or creating spreadsheets. So if you like that kind of stuff, by all means, Microsoft Office, if you have skills in Microsoft Office, virtual assistant may be a good job for you. And the last one here, proofreading. If you're the type of person that likes attention to detail, if you're a reader, what you can do is proofread people's blogs. A lot of people have ghost books written for them. You can proofread those. You can proofread manuals and transcripts and all sorts of great stuff. So if you have a good attention to detail and you like to read, proofreading could be a great entry-level job for you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed these tips. And if you are new to freelancing and haven't quite found how you want to make your money or what your niche is, then go ahead and get started with one of these just to get some of that revenue coming in. Good luck.